Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes, are you fine children? Yes, so now let's start our social science class. Okay? Yes, so now today we are going to learn about the movements of earth. Okay, so there are two types of movements of earth. There are two types of movements of earth. They are rotation and revolution. Rotation and revolution. Rotation means the movement of earth on its axis is called rotation. பூமி தன்னைத்தானே சுற்றுற அந்த மூமெண்ட்டை தான் நம்ம ரொட்டேஷனல் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். நெக்ஸ்ட் ரெவல்யூஷனல் மீன்ஸ் த மூமெண்ட் ஆஃப் எர்த் அரவுண்ட் த சன் இன் எ ஃபிக்ஸ்டு பாத் இஸ் கால்ட் ரெவல்யூஷன். பூமி சூரியனை சுற்றி வர்ற அந்த மூமெண்ட்டை நம்ம ரெவல்யூஷனல் மூமெண்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். ஸோ தேர் ஆர் டூ டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் மூமெண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் எர்த். தே ஆர் ரொட்டேஷன் அண்ட் ரெவல்யூஷன். ஓகே. நவ் லெட்ஸ் லேர்ன் அபவுட் detailing. So first we learn about rotation. Okay, so the spinning moment of earth on its axis is called rotation. So பூமி தன்னை தானே சுற்றுற அந்த ஸ்பின்னிங் மூமெண்ட் தான் நம்ம ரொட்டேஷன் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஹேவ் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டுட்? நவ் யூ கேன் see the picture of globe. So globe is the small model of the earth. எஸ் ஆர்னோ சில்ட்ரன், நம்மளோட பூமி இப்படி தான் இருக்கும் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு ஸ்மால் மாடல் தான் இந்த globe. Okay, so all of you, can you see the picture? Yes, so globe is the small model of the earth. Okay, so in the globe you can see the imaginary line. Yes or no children, can you see the imaginary line which is known as axis? Okay, so globe மேல வரையப்பட்ட ஒரு கற்பனையான கோடு தான் imaginary line, that is axis. Okay, that is known as axis. Okay, and it's run from north pole to south pole. Okay, so the axis run from the north pole to south pole. You can see the picture children. In the globe there is the imaginary line, so that is known as axis. So the axis run from the north pole to south pole. Okay, so the earth axis is not vertical. So லைட்டாக சாய்வாக இருக்கலாம், நேராக இல்லாமல் லைட்டாக சாய்வாக இருக்கு. Yes, so the earth axis is not vertical. Okay, so this axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree. Okay, so axis, the earth spins around on imaginary line running through the center of earth from the north pole to south pole. So this line is called the axis. Okay, so பூமி மேலே வரையப்பட்ட ஒரு கற்பனையான கோடு தான் axis. Okay, so அந்த axis run from the north pole to south pole on the globe. Okay children, on the earth. Okay, so earth rotates from west to east direction. Okay, so all of you, can you see the picture children? In the globe you can see the earth rotates from west direction to east direction. So நம்மளோட பூமி west directionல இருந்து east direction நோக்கி rotate ஆகுது. Okay children, and it's take 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis. Okay, so நம்மளோட பூமி வெஸ்ட் டைரக்ஷன்லேருந்து ஈஸ்ட் டைரக்ஷன் நோக்கி ரொட்டேட் ஆகுது. ஓகே, ஸோ அதுக்கு 24 hours ஆகுது. ஓகே, ஸோ ஒன் ரொட்டேஷன் கம்ப்ளீட்ஸ் 24 hours. ஓகே, that means one day. Okay, one day we have 24 hours. Yes or no children? Yes, so that is one rotation. Okay, so earth rotates west to east direction. The earth rotates from west to east direction and it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis. பூமி தன்னை தானே ஒரு நேரம் ரொட்டேட் ஆகிறதுக்கு அது எடுத்துக்கிற டைம் எவ்வளோ அப்படின்னா 24 hours. Okay, so one day and one night. One day and one night. Day and night we have 24 hours. Yes, so earth rotates 24 hours to complete one rotation, okay, around its axis. Okay children, have you understood? So the rotational horses day and night. Okay, so பூமி rotate ஆகிற அந்த மூமெண்ட்டை தான் நம்ம day and night அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். Okay children, so rotational horses we get day and night. Okay, so the earth rotates on its tilted axis causes day and night. Okay, so பூமி ரொட்டேட் ஆகிறதுனால தான் நமக்கு டே அண்ட் நைட் கிடைக்குது. Okay children, so all of you, you can see the picture children. Due to the spherical shape of the earth, one half of it get light from the sun at a time. So பூமி ரொட்டேட் ஆகும்போது சூரியனிடமிருந்து என்ன செய்யுது, லைட்டை பெறுது. ஓகே, ஸோ ஒன் ஹாஃப் only get the light from the sun. Okay, so that one half get light from sun. Yes, so that area daytime. Okay, and another half, the remaining another half didn't get light from the sun. Yes, so that half light dark. Okay, night. Okay, so one half of it get light from the sun at a time, so that is daytime, and another half is night time. Okay, so பூமி ரொட்டேட் ஆகும்போது பூமி சூரியனிடமிருந்து லைட்டை பெறும். ஓகே, ஸோ அந்த லைட்டை பெறுற அந்த ஒன் ஹாஃப் சைடு we have daytime and another half night. Okay, so the position facing the sun expresses day, while other half away from the sun expresses night. Okay, so you can see the picture, children. So in the direction sun பார்த்து அதோட லைட்டை பெறுதோ அந்த டைரக்ஷன் அந்த ஹாஃப் டே ஆகும், சன் லைட்டு பெறாத அந்த அதர் ஹாஃப் நைட் ஆகவும் இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ லைக் திஸ் ஒன்லி we are facing day and night. Okay, children, so the position facing the sun expresses day, while other half away from the sun expresses night. Okay, that's why we get light from the sun daytime. Okay, night time we didn't get the sun. Yes, we didn't get the sunlight. Yes or no, children? Daytime only we get the sunlight. Yes, so whenever we get the sunlight, that is daytime, and the other half night time. Okay, so the rotational movement causes we get day and night. Okay, so the பூமி ரொட்டேட் ஆகிற அந்த மூமெண்ட்னால தான் நம்மளுக்கு டே அண்ட் நைட்ஸு கிடைக்குது. ஓகே children, have you understood clear? Next we learn about revolutional movement. Okay, so the movement of earth around the sun in a fixed path or orbit is called revolution. Okay, so பூமி சூரியனை சுற்றி வர்ற அந்த மூமெண்ட்டை நம்ம ரெவல்யூஷனல் மூமெண்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகே children, so you can see the picture, it is the revolutional movement. So in the center there is sun. Okay, so பூமி அதோட ஆர்பிட் ஃபிக்ஸ்டு பாத் சுற்றுவட்ட பாதையில் சூரியனை நோக்கி என்ன செய்யுது, அரவுண்ட் ஆகுது, மூவ் ஆகுது. ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் டைரக்ஷன் இஸ் கால்ட் revolutional movement. Okay, so the earth takes 365 1/4 days to revolve around the sun. Okay, so பூமி சூரியனை சுற்றி வர்றதுக்கு எடுத்துக்கிற நேரம் எவ்வளவுனா 1 year. Okay, that means 365 1/4 days. Okay, that is 1 year. Okay, so the earth takes 365 1/4 days to revolve around the sun. Okay, so earth completes one rotation in 365 1/4 days. Okay, so பூமி சூரியனை சுற்றி வர்றதுக்கு எடுத்துக்கிற நேரம் 1 year. Okay, 365 1/4 days. Okay, so it is the movement of earth and the tilted of the axis that causes season. Okay, so rotational movement causes day and night, and the revolutional movement causes we get season. Okay, so you can see the picture, children. The revolutional movement causes the season. Okay, so there are two types of movements of earth. They are rotation and revolution. Okay, rotational movement causes day and night. So the rotational movement, the earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Okay, around its axis. Okay, next revolutional movement causes season. Okay, so the earth completes one revolution in 365 1/4 days. That means 1 year. Okay, so that is called revolution. Okay, so it is the movement of earth and the tilted of the axis that causes season. Okay, so rotational movement causes day and night, revolutional movement causes season. Okay, so now we learn about seasons. Okay, so there are 4 main seasons in our country. there are four main seasons in our country. Okay, so they are summer, winter, autumn and the spring season. Summer season, winter season, autumn season and the spring season. Okay, so there are four main seasons in our country. Okay, now let's learn about one by one detail. Okay, so first we learn about summer season. So do you know children, summer season means Kodaikalam. Okay, so summer is very hot. Yes, summer is hot with a dry or humidity condition. Summer season is very hot season. Yes, yes, and children, in summer season the sunlight very hot. Yes, we get sunlight that is very hot. Yes, so summer is hot with dry. Okay, so we try to keep cool in summer with drink cool drinks. Okay, summer season நம்மள கூலா வச்சுக்கிறதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன குடிக்கிறோம்? Cool drinks. Yes, we drink cool drinks and we wear light cotton cloths. During the summer season we wear light cotton cloths and we drink cool drinks. Yes, to keep our body cool. Okay, during the summer season is very hot season. Yes, so that time we wear light cotton cloths and also we drink cool drinks to keep our body cool. Okay, next winter season. Next winter season is cold. Winter season is cold season, very cold. Yes, during the winter season very cool. Yes, so winter season we wear warm woolen cloth. So you can see the picture children. In the picture she is wearing woolen cloth. Yes, so during the winter season we wear warm woolen cloth and also we drink hot drinks. Summer season we drink cool drinks, winter season we drink hot drinks. Okay, next autumn season. Next autumn season. So autumn season is neither hot or cold. Autumn season is neither hot nor cold. Okay, so during the autumn season the trees are shed their leaves. Okay, you can see the picture children. In the tree there is no leaves. Yes, so during the autumn seasons the trees are sheds their leaves. Okay, so autumn season la trees la adoda leaf la enchirum udurthrum mara mattum kelaigalோட நிக்கும். Yes, can you see children? Can you see like this? Yes, so that is autumn season. Okay, okay, so during the autumn season the trees are sheds their leaves. Okay, next spring season. Next season spring season. Spring season is neither hot nor cold too. Okay, spring season neither hot nor cold too. Okay, so trees are grow new leaves in spring season. Okay, so spring season we can see new leaves. Okay, so in the trees we can see new leaves. Yes, yes, so spring season the trees grow new leaves. Okay, so there are four main seasons in our country. They are summer season, winter season, autumn season and spring season. Okay, so summer season is very hot season, so that time we drink cool drinks and also we wear light cotton cloths. Next winter season is cold season, so that time we drink hot drinks and also we wear woolen cloths. And autumn season is neither hot or cold, so that time trees or sheds their leaves. And spring season is not cold too or hot, so the spring season the trees are grow new leaves. Okay, have you understood clearly children? So there are four main seasons, okay, in our country. Okay, very clear? So today we learn about movements of year. So there are two types of movements of year. They are rotation and revolution. Rotation movement causes we get day and night, and revolution movement causes seasons. Okay, have you understood clear children? Yes, so now all of you take your social classwork. We are going to write the classwork now. All of you take your social classwork. Take a new page and put today date and day. After that write moments of earth. Write today date and day. After that write today topic movements of the earth. Have you written, children? Write, fill in the blanks. So first fill up. There are two types of movements of earth. There are two types of movements of earth. You underline two. There are two types of movements of earth. Underline two. Have you written first fill up, children? Then second fill up. The earth rotation from west to east. The earth rotation from west to east. You can underline west and east. The earth rotation from west to east. You can underline west and east. Okay, have you written for second fill up, children? Then third fill up, leave one line and write third fill up. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis. You can underline 24 hours. Okay, then leave one line and write fourth fill up. The rotation has day and night. The rotation has day and night. You can underline day and night. Then leave one line and write fifth one. The earth takes 365 1/4 days to revolve around the sun. The earth takes 365 1/4 days to revolve around the sun. You can underline 365 1/4 days. Okay, have you written 5 fill up, children? Now we are going to read. All of you listen. There are two types of movements of earth. All of you say with me. There are two types of movements of earth. Then second, the earth rotation from west to east. Third one, the earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis. Fourth, the rotation has day and night. Fifth, the earth takes 365 1/4 days to revolve around the sun. Okay, have you written 5 fill up, children? Then leave one line and write 6th fill up. You can leave one line and write 6th fill up. There are 4 main seasons in our country. There are 4 main seasons in our country. You can underline 4. There are 4 main seasons in our country. Okay. Then 7th one, leave one line and write 7th one. Trees shed their leaves in autumn season. Trees shed their leaves in autumn season. Okay. Then leave one line and write 8th one. Trees grow new leaves in spring season. Trees grow new leaves in spring season. You can underline spring. Then 9th one, summer season we wear light cotton cloths. Summer season we wear light cotton cloths. You can underline light cotton. Then 10th one, winter season we wear woolen cloth. Winter season we wear woolen cloths. You can underline woolen. Have you written 10th one? Then 11th one, the revolutionary movement has a season. The revolutionary movement has a season. You can underline seasons. Okay. Have you written, children? Have you written 11 fill ups? So today you have to study this 11 fill ups and write 11 fill ups in the homework notes. 11 fill ups you can write, study, after that write the homework. Okay, children, study and write the homework. Okay, this 11 fill ups you have to write, copy in your homework notes. That is your homework today. Okay, now we are going to read. All of you listen, children. There are 2 types of movements of earth. Next, the second, the earth rotation from west to east. Third one, the earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis. Then fourth, the rotation has day and night. The earth takes 365 1/4 days to revolve around the sun. Sixth, there are 4 main seasons in our country. Seventh one, trees shed their leaves in autumn season. Eighth one, trees grow new leaves in spring. Ninth one, summer season we wear light cotton cloths. 10th one, winter season we wear woolen cloths. 11th one, the revolutionary movement has its seasons. Okay, can you read, all of you? Yes, so today you have to study this 11 fill-ups. It is very important. You should study, children. Study and write the homework note. Okay, then we will see you next class. Have a nice day. Bye.